Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. And the motto to go by is, the more you know, the better you will do. And today we're going to compare and contrast direct proportionality with the slope-intercept form of a linear equation. Kind of think of the direct proportionality equation as the parent function to y equals mx plus b. And if you notice right here, there's nothing behind the x. And in this case, there's something behind the x called b. But let's take a look at the y equals kx equation first, the direct proportionality equation in which k equals the constant, x is the input, y is the output, and k is just simply y divided by x. And as you can see here, this graph has proportionality written all over it because it is based on the fact that 0, 0 is the origin, and this graph goes right through the origin at 0, 0, making this graph proportional because, as you can see, 3 times 1 is 3, and 1.5 times 2 is 3 as well. And so with that in mind, that's what we have right there, proportionality, and that is the key to this equation here. But on the other hand, now here's what's taking place with the y equals mx plus b equation. All right, we have a non-zero, 0 y-intercept. Okay, if the y-intercept is not at 0, 0, it cannot be proportional because just this little part right here, this plus 2, is going to throw the proportionality out of whack. And so now in this case, okay, k turns into m, it turns into slope. It turns into the change in y over the change in x. You see, that's the difference. We go from a constant to a slope because now we have a non-zero y-intercept. And this is why we go like this, the change in y over the change in x. And as you can see, it's the same, but we have to rename it simply because now we have a y-intercept. And that y-intercept changes the nature of the points. Look at how different they are right here. We have a 2, 1 here, but we have a negative 2, 1 right here. We have a 2, 3 here, and we have a 3, 1.5. All that changes simply because the y-intercept forced our equation to change, and that's why we have a y equals mx plus b. Okay, and this is how you can compare and contrast the difference between the two equations. And remember, y equals kx is a parent function of y equals mx plus b. You have received a lot of information, and that's okay, because you can always pause the video and take a look at both charts to gain a deeper understanding of it, or replay this video as many times you need to understand the difference between direct proportionality and slope-intercept form of a linear equation. And with that in mind, comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.